Over-the-air updates for Android apps refer to the process of delivering software updates directly to devices via a wireless network. Apps can be pushed to devices wirelessly without requiring users to manually download and install them. In this video, we will demonstrate the process of using an MDM solution to deploy apps over the air to Android devices. First, let's briefly understand how app OTA updates work. The app is uploaded to the MDM dashboard, and the MDM solution pushes it to enrolled devices based on rules set by the organization. This allows IT administrators to remotely install apps on devices without physical connections. AirDroid Business MDM solution allows the deployment of both public and custom enterprise apps to manage devices. To perform OTA updates for custom Android apps, go to Admin Console, select Apps, Organization App Library, find the app you need to update, and click the Update icon. Click Update. Upload the updated APK. Edit Release Note to update your note. Click Next. Select devices that need to be updated. Select the release type to complete the process. To perform OTA updates for Google Play Store apps, navigate to Apps, Managed Google Play Store. Click Global App Configurations. You can configure auto-update rules here, turning OTA app updates into an automatic process. Choose options Always Auto-Update Apps or Auto-Update Apps over Wi-Fi only. The Managed App Store will check for app updates once a day, and when an update version is detected, it will automatically update the application by default. Please note that these two options require the device to meet the following constraints for app updates. The device is charging, the device is idle, the app to be updated is not running in the foreground. OTA enables rapid deployment of application updates to devices at scale, ensuring everyone access to the latest features and improvements, while reducing the workload for physical distribution methods, thereby saving time and resources for IT admins and users. To explore more features related to application and device management of AirDroid Business, please visit our official website and have a free trial.